So today is 2.5 RS day. It has been sitting in the back of my shop neglected for about 3 weeks now since we got it. And I figured it'd be awesome to just do a video, cleaning it up, finding out what's in it, and just getting it kind of presentable again. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to do anything with the paint yet, or the windshield or anything exterior cosmetic, but we're gonna take the seats out, give it a clean. There's a lot of mold in it, and clean the engine bay, just get it ready to work on so that I'm more motivated to start putting time into it and get it to run and drive, you know? So this video is gonna be all about cleaning the 2.5 RS. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. We got the front seat out, we got the rear seat out. Nothing really interesting under the rear seat. Usually there's like a crack pipe over here or something. All I found was a little nest from something living in here. Some free brake fluid. That's a great ground score right there. And I'm really happy on some free marker lights, which is awesome because both of ours is smashed up and missing. So that's awesome. We're gonna proceed to take out the passenger sides, front seat, and this console and start cleaning the carpets. We've got this nasty seat covering on here. These seats are actually 2002 WRX seats, and I think they're in good condition. I'm gonna go ahead and move this one back so we can take it out. Hey! Nice. A knife and some new plug wires, it looks like. Yeah, NGKs. Nice. Free $70. Right. So this side looks like it's a little more interesting. There's some mold. Nothing that won't clean up. A lot of dog hair though. Is this as clean as I think it is? Yay! It is. Super clean. No tears on that side. No tears on that side. Yay! It's kind of hard to find those old WRX seats clean. I also have some 2.5 RS seats right here. So if we decide we want to go fully stock, we might do that. The WRX seats are a nice upgrade, so we might keep them. But it's time to take this seat out and see what's under it or what's not under it. The seats have been removed, the center console has been removed, and the carpets have been vacuumed, but the smell is still there. So we're gonna be using this really generic carpet cleaner called Tough Stuff that you can get at Walmart. I think it's like $3. But it's got a really generic, good smell, and it eliminates nasty stuff in the carpet. Basically just gonna spray this stuff on there, scrub it, clean it up, and then extraction clean the carpet. And then I'm gonna start on the seats. So let's get into it. The rear passenger seats actually are in really good condition. I have another set of these, but these are really great. So I'm gonna do my best to clean up all these stains and just overall, you know, get the dog hair off. That's a lot of dog hair, but it's pretty gross. I am gonna work on getting these cleaned up. And then I actually think I'm gonna go with the stock 2.5 RS seats I have, because I just kind of want to go with that stock 2.5 RS feel. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up and then start working on the front seats that I have. Got the rear seats cleaned up. There was a ton of dog hair on that. The front seats all cleaned up. The center console's been cleaned. Everything's been cleaned in the car. It smells a lot better, and it's just going to be a lot nicer to work on. I think that's where I'm going to end it today. It's late and super cold. I was planning on using the extractor. It's super fun, and it makes it go a lot quicker, but our water froze while I was working on this car, if that tells you how cold it is. But yeah, we've got the engine bay clean. We got the interior cleaned. I'm super happy with how it turned out. It smells a lot better. I don't feel like I'm gonna get sick working in it, and it makes me super excited for this project. So if you guys are excited to watch how this car comes along in the next couple of weeks, then subscribe. We're posting every Tuesday and Friday, so if you want to see more, just hit that bell icon and look for our videos every Tuesday and Friday. See you guys next time. Bye.